Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at a few altcoins to keep an eye on over the coming days and weeks. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I'm going to pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and keep up to date with the signals we are taking in the premium group, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us, and also we publish our monthly results from the premium signals on there as well, so you can keep an eye on how we are doing. So I thought I'd do this video on, as I said, a few coins to take a look at, altcoins to keep an eye on. We're starting to see signs of a shift where obviously we've seen such a strong move from Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance has been higher, but there's early signs that money's starting to rotate into ethereum and altcoins, so kind of the next stage of the cycle. And we can see here, looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart, this is the 2-day chart. We had another rejection on the 2-day close from this 48.5% level. So obviously this kind of big range we've been trading in for 2 years now. Another rejection there. So we've seen a move down. So what we're obviously hoping for now is a continued move down, down towards 45% would be ideal. But if we trend down towards the range lows, that's when we can see, a real strong move and a big altcoin rally. Also looking at the total 2 market cap, which is the market cap excluding Bitcoin, we can see that $615 billion, and I've mentioned this level so many times. We've seen 20, 30 rejections over the past 10 or 11 months. From this level on the daily chart, we have just flipped above it. So from here we could sort of target up towards $700 billion. So with a move in the total market cap, as well as the drop in Bitcoin dominance, this leads us well placed to see some stronger move in altcoins. We can also see another sign is the fact that Ethereum, we saw a few days ago, this is the 4-hour chart, kind of bottom out here. It was looking really weak against Bitcoin. Since the Shanghai upgrade, it's actually worked in Ethereum's favor. We have seen a pump in the last couple of days, and we've flipped this resistance level here. Currently facing daily supply, but if the Ethereum Bitcoin chart can flip this level, we could see an even further move up in Ethereum, and then altcoins will follow from there. So the first altcoin I want to take a look at is GRT, and this is one that potentially we could see move more in the coming couple of days rather than over the next few weeks. We actually took a position on this probably over a week ago now in the premium group, a spot position. We entered around about average entry just under 0.15, so yeah, 15 cents. And we can see that this is kind of a really solid level above 1,350. We did deviate below it slightly in the towards the end of March, but once it was regained, we can see it holding support here. We've got this daily demand as well, which is now acting as support. We've got this uptrend as well. Now what I'm looking for here is if we can flip, I will just draw it here, if we can flip this level, which we are testing now, sort of around 1,630, I think we can then see an impulsive move up. We will then be targeting from there around 1,850, but we've also got this wick to fill, which we saw in February, which I'll mark there, and that's up at around 23 cents. So as I said, we already have a position in this, but what I would be looking at now is a flip of 1,630. So if you haven't got a position already, close a daily candle above 1,630 and could target up towards 23 cents, which would give us a 41% move from there. So yeah, this is one I could see potentially breaking out in the next couple of days. Second coin I want to show you is Link, and this is another one I've talked about many times, and this is over the recent rally is probably one of the poorer performers, especially considering, in my opinion, it's a really solid coin, good fundamentals, and it's only a matter of time before we see double figures and well beyond that. I really do think this is going to be a big coin in the future, but we can see that over the last year, really, we've just been trading in this big range, which I'll highlight here. Really clear range, and we're still only kind of sitting in the middle of that range now, and considering the rally we have seen from the market, and this coin is only up sort of around 40% from New Year's Day. And when you consider that Bitcoin is up 85% from New Year's Day, and many coins are up 100% or more from New Year's Day, so this one is kind of really lagging behind the rest of the market at the moment. So, on pullbacks, this is a good coin to get into still, in my opinion. And we can actually see how it's kind of, we're seeing compression in the price action at the moment, which leads us to think that over the coming weeks or even months, it's only a matter of time before we flip this. And, we could see a really big move up towards $12, $13 from here once this range is flipped. And the third coin I want to show you as well is Binance coin, BNB. Obviously, everybody will be familiar with this, but this is another coin where once Ethereum starts to dominate, this one will quickly follow. And we're pushing towards a key resistance level again. We can see at $340 how many times we have rejected from this level over the past year. In the end of November, early December, we did see some short-term deviation above $340. Now what I'm looking for here is a flip of this level. If we flip $340, we can target a fill of this wick here up at $400. So once that is flipped and a daily candle confirmed closure above $340, then we should be able to see at least a sort of 16 to 18% move from there up towards $400. So I hope you found this video useful, guys, and I'd be interested to know any other coins you're holding or you're interested in for the next bull run. Feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video.